Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this anime edit. It's like glow outline edit. So go to effects, go to comic, and select the neon outline. And kind of like adjust it a little bit. Just going to also copy and paste it. Then go to filters and add in a black and white filter on top of that. Go to effects again and add in like a lens effect, like an edge glow effect to just make it a little bit brighter if you want to. Then add in the color changing effect, which is colorful. It's under nightclub. Select everything, right click, and then select create compound clip except for the background. And then go to blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. Maybe like the brighten one. And for the video, you want to make sure it's a little bit darker. It is actually better if the video style is darker because it will show off more like of the glow effect, I guess. And just kind of like adjust it a little bit. Like here, because the video is darker, it will show more of the glow outline. So it's also like much better for close-ups rather than like non-close-ups like these clips. You can also add in a light effect if you like. If you just want to add in like an angel filter here and adjust the strength a bit as well. So you can kind of see the difference between this one and this one. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!